Right now, gold is moving down as expected, and one major thing we need to pay attention to right now is the fact that a major escalation in the Middle East as Iran attacked Israel yesterday, and this will cause a lot of panic in the market. As we all know, that fear also have a greater impact on the market right here. I will dive into this in this very video, the relationship with what has happened already in the Middle East and what we are seeing on the price of gold and how you should position yourself right now in the market. So all of this and more in today's video. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this. Also, check the channel for other Forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on the 1-day chart, xauusd, that is good. Market is moving to the downside. I told you in my last video that I am expecting this market to come back down because we have a very serious volume spike right here. Then after the volume spike, market should retrace. Notwithstanding, if you look at this chart very well, market has been moving to the upside all this long. So market have to come back down for a good retracement before continuation to the upside. I am not saying that we are in a downtrend on gold. What I am saying is the market have exhausted itself. That means the bulls have exhausted its move all the way to this very area. So therefore, retracement is required for the next move to come into the market again to the upside. So this is what we should be expecting right now in the market on gold. Market should come back to the downside. If I move over to the 4-hour chart, which is very significant right here, if you notice something very important on this chart is an aggressive move to the downside from this very area on the chart right here. So we have this very little move to the upside, and then we have these very two candles. They were very aggressive. It means that the bears are willing to take control of the market, but there is certain things we need to pay attention to at this very area. Now, one thing is that yesterday we see Iran attack Israel, and that attack was very severe, unprecedented, but it was an expected attack. And if you have been following the news, you discovered that Israel have come out to say, oh, we were able to neutralize about 99% of the attack. And this is very important to what we're seeing on the chart right here, because as we resume the week of trading, we see the market begin to drop in favor of the US dollars. And this attack was helped neutralized by the United States and its ally in the region. So it also pointed to the fact that right now we should see a good strength in the US dollars to the downside before a continuation upward. One thing very important right here is that you should pay attention to this very level of support, which is very significant on the chart at this very point. This is my key area of reference right now for the market to come back to the downside. So for us to see the market begin to come back down, there should be a breakout. That is, market should go down below this very area and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. So we see the previous low at this very area where we see this candle spike into before this very move to the upside. What I want to see right now is for the market to come back down from here where the market is right now with this candle. I want to see the market create a new low. A new low means that the market have capacity of coming back to the downside, because we've not seen a new low being created before. If you look at the way this chart has been moving in the past weeks, market has been moving upward with a clear upward movement. So if we then see something different right here, it is an indication that the market is going to begin to sell off, okay, before the next continuation to the upside on gold. So what you should be expecting right now on gold is for the market to come back down and create a new low, lower than this very low right here on the chart at this point. So market should come back down, create a new low before the next move upward. Then the next thing we need to focus on is this very area of important resistance that is on the chart right now. Market have capacity of retracing into this level before we see that final drop to the downside on gold. So this is what I am expecting right now. This is a scenario that you should pay attention to right now. Market come back down, create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point right here, and then come back to the upside again to give us a nice opportunity to short the market from this very area, or short the market from this very area of important support. So support could probably turn resistance, or market coming to this resistance again before the market come back to the downside. So this is what we must have to pay attention to right now on gold, as we see a major escalation in the Middle East. So a recap of today's video is that first, wait for the market to come back down, create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, then wait for the market to have a little retracement upward, then it will give us a nice opportunity to begin to look for a sell position or a short opportunity on the xauusd chart, that is gold chart. For us to have that opportunity, we must see a fair swing that will give us that nice opportunity to short the market to the downside in the next days of trading ahead of us right here. So this is very important, guys. So this is what you should pay attention to right now. Now the question would not be what should be your target. Okay, like I said earlier, the two possible entry points is this very point after we see a new low creation and this very area of resistance. So this very area, this price level of $2,365 and this very area of $2,354. This very region is the first level we should be looking out to short the market from, and the next area we should be looking for to short the market from after a drop to create a new low before that very little movement for retracement and continuation is this very area of $2,341 and this very zone of $2,325. So this very area and this very point are the 2 points of entry. Remember, your stop loss must be above this very spike right here on this very resistance level, and your target have to be, first of all, this very point of support where we see the market move from in the past, and the next second target have to be this very area of support as well. So the first target have to be $2,774 and the second target have to be this very area of support, that is $2,238. So these are the price level I am expecting right now. The most important thing in today's video is we need to wait for the market to come back down and create that new low that is lower than this very low right here. Once you see that low created, maybe to this very area, then wait for retracement into this very level or this very area before you take that very position to the downside on gold right now. This is very significant as we await a major retaliation from the side of the Israeli in this very escalation. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you are new here, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this video. Check it right now and do your registration and trade the forex market. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.